If you can't react to messages with emojis on Instagram, today in this video I will show you exactly how to fix that problem, so follow up with me. First, make sure you have your app updated and then open Instagram, tap right here in the top right corner and choose a conversation. Usually if I want to react to this message, all I need to do is to tap and hold. A list of emojis will pop up. I can tap on any of these emojis to react to it. If I want to extend the list of emojis, tap and hold again, tap on the plus right here and choose one of the emojis from this big list. Now, of course, if you don't have that feature, follow up with me. Now, all you need to do is to go to the home screen of your Instagram and tap right here in the bottom right corner, then tap right here in the top right corner and go to your settings and privacy. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and tap on help right there. Now, once you go there, tap on report a problem and then tap on report a problem without shaking. Here, tap on include and continue. Now in this area, go ahead and describe the problem for them and that you cannot react to messages and you want the problem fixed. Once you're done, tap on send in the top right corner and they should fix your problem in a short period of time. And that's how we do it. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.